Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking about the Guppy Endler crosses we have going on in the fish room right now. I know this has been a particularly popular series amongst our subscribers, so we just thought we'd give you an update on what's about to be ready to show you and what new crosses we're starting today. So in this tank we are growing out some white Moscow cross blue star Endlers. They're in with our nano fish, but as you can see, the male at the top starting to develop some red. And if you look really closely, they do look like they're starting to develop some blue as well. So these are probably 4 or 5 weeks away from showing you the final result. So yeah, that's our first cross that we'll be showing you. Next we come over to one of our more impressive aquascape aquariums. I'm just going to throw this out there. We are available for aquascaping if you like what you see, but just be warned, we do charge a lot plus a monthly retaining fee for the rest of your lives. So anyway, in here we have red cap Cobra Guppy male. He's not going to stop moving, is he? Pull back a little bit. You can see some nice Cobra patterning on his chest and the queer-like markings at the front. And we have mixed him with 4 metal black lace females. And we already have fry. I mean, they've been in here for around 5 months now, to be fair. So this will be the next one we're able to show you after the white Moscow cross blue star Endlers. So yeah, should be interesting. We'll see. The third cross we'll be able to show you soon-ish. She hasn't dropped fry yet, but you can see she's quite large and about to. She is a blue star Endler female, and we crossed her with a male Gingaruba Guppy. So she'll be dropping fry any time soon, like I just said, and we will show you them once they reach maturity. So this is a new cross that we're just starting today in the fish room. This is a female Gingaruba Guppy, and we are going to be crossing her with a male Tiger Endler, as you can see. This is just starting today. She's virgin, so we're guessing probably needs another month to mature a little bit more, then say a month to drop fry, and then 3 to 4 months before we can show you them. Obviously it takes time doing these videos, but I'm sure you guys appreciate that. Another new cross that we're starting today, this is a emerald or lime green or mint green black bar Endler male, and these are 2 female Stag Endlers from our best line. The reason we've chosen this male is because he has a really big black bar, as you can see, and we really want to try and get rid of some of the red in our Stag line, and it would be nice to see how this cross goes. Hopefully, because he has such a big black bar, we can emphasize the black on the Stag lines. As anyone that's been watching our videos know, we've been trying to get the Stag lines to have bigger, rounder black bars, black circles, sorry. So this could be an interesting one. We'll see how that goes, and as usual, as soon as the fry F1s are fully grown, we will do a separate video to show you what the results were. The third new cross that we're beginning today, this is a Gingaruba male, and we'll be crossing him with these 2 chicks. These are female Stag Endlers from our best line. So that's our third new cross that we're starting today. The fourth cross that we're starting today, well, we started this yesterday, this is a juvenile, just colouring up metal black lace male. He was actually the last of our metal black laces. We've rehomed them, but we just kept a couple of fry back in case we wanted to do breeding projects like this. And in here somewhere is a female Guppies. You have to take my word for it, she is in there. So these are going to be growing out in our reservoir tank, and once they are more mature we'll separate them out so that we can ensure that none of the fry get eaten. So that wraps up all of the crosses that are in the pipeline. We hope that you're going to be interested enough to bear with us until we can showcase each of them. They could be interesting, or they could be like this. This was our first cross that we documented on YouTube. It's a metal black lace cross tiger Endler. We've decided, these are the F3s now. We've decided that we aren't going to pursue these anymore. There are some really nice ones, but a lot of them are turning out basically just looking like tiger Endlers more than any sort of cross version of it. There are some nice ones. If anyone's in the UK and wants to take this strain on and work with it a little bit more, please contact us. You're more than welcome to them. We don't want anything for them. If you can cover shipping, then that'd be cool. So yeah, let us know if you're interested in them, and we'll see what the future crosses bring us. Bonus unboxing. So this is a very quick bonus unboxing at the end of our video. Rather than doing a whole separate video on another unboxing, we thought we'd just tack this on at the end. So these are our 183 true Starlight Plecos, and there's 6 of them. I won't show you in the bag because they're just blurry. We'll get them in the aquarium and show you a little bit of footage. This is one of the Starlight Bristlenose Plecos settling into his new home along with our Guppies. Gotta say, we are really impressed with these. I mean, look at the coloration. As Bristlenose Plecos go, these are arguably the nicest of the Bristlenose. Very similar in appearance and often confused with the Peppermint Bristlenose Pleco, which is also an equally nice fish. So we're looking forward to growing these guys on and then working with them in the future in terms of hopefully breeding them, which I have a feeling won't be too tricky. Touch wood. So that brings us to the end of our Guppy Endler cross breeding project video and bonus unboxing, of course. Just like to say thank you to everyone as always, and if you have any suggestions for any future Guppy Endler cross breeding projects, feel free to leave a couple of comments and we'll see what we can do in the future. As always, take care,